Dude, it says no entry. Oh my god, what are we doing? Damn. Ice Cube confirms last Friday moving forward with Warner Brothers.
Yeah, right.
I don't know. That's what it says. Really haven't ridden too much this year. Only like, I think it's like my 4th or 5th time.
Yeah, me too. Same.
A little slow start to the year, but I'll start riding more. Gotta make sure we don't get tackled off by no cops.
Yeah, all right.
Those videos are crazy.
Feels so weird going like riding with somebody else like fast.
I know, like, I haven't even, the last time I rode fast was with you. I went for a couple rides with like Carly, but I don't go too fast with her on there. Plus, like, I don't know, she's not wearing a helmet because she doesn't have one, so I don't wear a helmet, so I'm definitely not going fast.
Yeah. Hell no.
Hell no, I'm driving safe. Like, that's how you know I'm driving safe. I don't have a helmet on. Because, like, that's just instant death. Like, you could be going 20 and you'll die.
Yep.
With our helmets on right now, like, the only way we're dying is if we're going like 60 fucking plus. And that's if a car pulls right out in front of us or something. Right, I swear, if a car ever pulled down in front of me, I'm jumping off this bitch. I always think about it. Like, I would just like say, like, you know, you're going 50 right here and that car just turns right in front of you. I just pictures myself standing up and just leaping up in the air.
Hell no.
Dude, if you hit it, you're flipping. If you jump and you clear the car, you won't be flipping. You'll just like land on the ground and like roll a little bit, you know, like you'll be all right. If you hit that shit, you're fucking flipping. And if you try to move out of the way, you go right, there's fucking poles. You go left, there might be more oncoming traffic. Then you're definitely dead.
Yeah.
And dude, you ever see the crash videos? It looks like sometimes they slam on their brakes and there's a lot of time to stop and think, you know what I mean? So think if you have a lot of time to think, you wouldn't think like this Mustang, you can jump it. You can jump this Mustang, no fucking problem. It'll suck for Jamie, but, you know. It's good.
Force preserve or some shit?
Yeah.
What should we take? The 9 all the way down?
Take what?
The 9 all the way down?
The 9? The 9.5 or what?
The 9. This is 79 right here. The 9.
The 7.9?
7.9.
Let's take the 7.9.
Don't be afraid to just ride however you want to ride. You don't gotta stay next to me. It'll make me go faster.
Yeah, well, we'll see how fast I want to go. I haven't gone fast in a while.
Yeah.
I gotta warm up. Hold on, I'm gonna be careful right here.
You got your plate on, huh?
Yeah, hold on. I gotta take this shit off. Watch out for these motherfuckers. Soon there'll be driving cars and we don't even have to worry about getting hit. But then they'll have like drone police officers and shit that'll like be in like a little mini drone helicopter that'll be able to fucking chase us down. But by then too, we'll have like Tron bikes that could go like 200.
That'd be crazy.
Dude, 200 in like 10 seconds, like just hit 200 real quick.
This bike could go like 180. 190.
Fuck yeah. But don't like think of like a Tesla, how fast it takes off. Imagine just like a motorcycle taking off that fucking fast. Like it just
Yeah.
It's gonna be deadly. I just shifted without fucking pulling the clutch. I wanted to see what it would do. I used to do that on my dirt bike.
Yeah, a little hardship.
Is that bad for your bike though?
I mean, not really. I mean, kinda. Not if you do it a lot.
You just do it in like the important moments, like when you're racing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just tried it right now. Like almost like my bike almost lifted up a little bit too. Like almost like want to do like a little wheelie. Love the little lane fucking split. no forklifts are good. Not forklifts, fucking whatever. Fork seals. Forklifts. See if this Mustang wants to go. It sounds like he does. Maybe not. Oh, my balls. No, he ain't want to go nowhere.
The passenger like lifted his hand up and put the extra route. Go to the right. Go to the right.
Yeah, I don't want to go in between those two semis. Dude, these roads are fucked. Should take a 95th.
Ah, we're almost there.
Like, holy shit, these roads are fucked. These like potholes are just getting worse and worse. Oh, bus is stopping, Chris. Get over your left. Wait for me, though. I didn't make it. I almost want to take my bike to work, dude. I would get to work and get home so fast. But I take 294, dude, and it would be bad. 294 is a death trap.
Think so?
It's bad, bro. Like, I'll get fucking killed on there. And like, here's how you know I'll get killed on there. I don't ever see motorcycles on there, because everybody knows. 294 in rush hour, bro, it would be bad.
Where should we go?
Straight. What'd you say?
Oh no, it's dead.
Oh, yours died?
We'll just do that route.
Yeah.
And then try to like...
All the way this. You know, we turn left at the light. We turn right at the next light. Just, I mean, you'll see. It's just you and me now. Dust goes in my eye like instantly as soon as I start riding. Almost wish I could have my visor up. Could wear safety glasses, but fuck that. How fast this bike was. This thing just cooked. This thing just fucking cooked. I keep feeling for my phone in my pocket. I probably should put it in my backpack. Especially if I'm going that fast. Yeah, this is Lamont. I'd definitely be down to live here one day. Just because it's like, it's a small town vibe. And we don't have mountains here in Illinois, but we got some cool hills. This place is super hilly. I'll have to go up on this bridge right now. You'll be able to see a good view. This is probably like the best Illinois has to offer, honestly, when it comes to like scenery, like mountains and shit. It's like almost like a mini Tennessee. Yeah, look at this. Little Camaro. We'll catch up to this dude. Yeah, this is the best Illinois has to offer. guy's butt. Oh, what are you doing, bro? You're supposed to get off. He wants to go south? Kind of didn't want to go this way, but fuck it. Man, there's traffic. Probably some like crazy accident or something. I guess this doesn't look too bad. I mean, there is no such thing as traffic when you're on a bike. We're just gonna squeeze in between everybody. Video be titled like watch me skip fucking an hour worth of traffic in 5 minutes. My fingers are tingly. I gotta get that footy.